Hello traders, hope you are all doing great. Markets are really green. It is not only our market, US market, Europe. In fact, as I talk to you, Dow Jones is up by more than 600. Dow Jones future is up by more than 600 points. S&P, Nasdaq, everything is in the green. And maybe this is a technical bounce. Maybe we will have to wait till GDP data, which is due to be out on 26th of October in US market. I am talking about the US market. Since we follow the US market more than our market, till then we will be seeing green all over the places, right? Maybe, I don't know. After that we will have to decide whether we are going to go downwards, or I don't think much it is going to have much upward trajectory. Maybe we will be heading sideways, or with sideways with negative bias. Anyway, Fed has told they have a target of around 4% or 4.2% for 2022 and more than 4.6% for 2023, right? So with that being said, you have to remember, don't jump into conclusion and don't try to go long in the market. Maybe here and there 100 200 points it will rally, but and our market, it always rallies and goes, and it is resilient. It doesn't want to come down no matter what happened. And yesterday's video I told I think I gave some wrong numbers and everybody started jumping in the comment section. Let me tell you, when the market was at 18,600 and it came all the way to maybe 16,800 levels, nobody was coming and you know what, they are not praising me. They didn't praise me, right? You told market will come down, you told market will come down, it is going up. 1 or 2 days if it goes, what is the problem? From 18,600 I have been shorting the market and I made so much money. I've told in many videos also, right? So anyway, if you see that way, today was a very, very good day. We made decent money, not only us, even our people who follow us on mentorship program also made decent money. So it is all, not only the markets are green, even our terminal was green. So whoever attended today's live session, we do a live session daily from morning 9:30 to evening around 3:10. So in that live session also I have told how much we run the Algo live, right? Nobody does that, so we are doing. Anyway, let us see how things pan out. Maybe this is not the time to go short in the market. We will short the market. Of course, I am a short seller. I am fond of shorting the market whenever, because when the market goes on the higher side, it goes slowly, but when it comes down, it comes very fast and aggressive. That's why I am fond of shorting the market always. So you can, if you are following me, I will tell maximum time short the market, short the market, short the market. If I want to go, I have never gone long. If I want to go long, I will take non-directional strategies. If I want to short the market, maybe I will do some hedge strategies, like I will sell call option, then maybe buy some other call option, like that, right? So let's see how things pan out. And you know what happened to the market. I don't have to talk much about the market. So this is the US futures. So it's all green, from Dow Jones, S&P, Nasdaq, FTSE, France, German, everything is in the green. And maybe that's what, as I told you, maybe 26 is a very important day, GDP data day in the US. So till then market may go on the higher side. And as I told you, this 28,500 for Dow Jones is a technical support. So that's why markets are rallying on the higher side, right? And in India also, this is October is a season, month of festivals. Diwali is coming around. It's around the corner, and people don't want to see red in the market. So sentimentally, they used to buy good number of stock in the month of October, right? So that is what is happening, and that's why markets are really bouncing on the higher side, right? And one more thing I want to tell you, we have a very vibrant and energetic Telegram group where people discuss many things about trading strategies, for which the link is on the description below. If you want, you can join the group, right? And one more thing, what I can see from the open interest is that there were literally no put writing at all. call writing at all. So everyone from every people were writing so many number of puts. So did we. We were also writing so much number of puts both in Nifty and Bank Nifty. Now, as per the open interest, what I can see is 40,500 being a good resistance for Bank Nifty. So it is already almost till 40,300, and if it gaps up tomorrow, maybe we will see market going towards 40,500 levels. That's Bank Nifty. And Nifty, for one or other reason, I don't know, 17,500 is having the highest call options being written. So maybe that might be the resistance. Even though Bank Nifty was flying like anything, Nifty was not able to cross 17,500. I really don't know what what the reason was. Maybe some other issues, but this Bank Nifty was performing, but Nifty was not performing, right? So this is the chart of Nifty. Let me change to 5 minutes chart. If you see here, so all day long high was around 17,520. It was trying to close above 17,500. 17,510 was the 520 was the high, but it was not able to cross 17,500. So you can imagine 17,500 as a good resistance. And talking about India VIX also dropped drastically. It was down by more than 5%, which also helped us make some money, right? India VIX dropping from 20 to 17 levels, of course we will make some money. And if you see the FII data, still FIIs are net sellers. Yesterday also they sold for around 1,000 crores. Today also they have sold very less, around 153 crores, and DIIs have bought for around 2,084 crores, right? So as I told you, just wait till the market is till 26th or 27th of October, till the GDP data is out. Then we will understand what is going to happen in the market, whether we are going to go down or whether we are. I don't think Nifty or Bank Nifty, maybe Bank Nifty another 1,000 or 1,500 points, but Nifty, I don't think it will touch lifetime high and all. So this is just this thing, what is that, dead cat bounce or something like that. If you see the fundamentals are really weak. I'm talking about the US fundamental, not about the Indian fundamental. In India, nothing is black and white, right? Everything is manipulated, whether it is Reliance balance sheet, or whether it is Adani balance sheet, or whether it is Bharati Airtel balance sheet, or whether it is ONGC balance sheet. Everything is manipulated, insider trading, all kind of crap is happening in the Indian market, manipulated by the media, everything, right? So it doesn't make sense for the market to keep on going on the higher side. This, India is majority of the money is made in unorganized sector, not in organized sector. You have to understand this. So I would say people talk about many things. People talk about Indian economy, that and they, but there are lots of gray area in the Indian market. So always it is better to see the US market. That's what our markets are doing, right? They are just following the US market, which is the mother market, and they are keep on shorting they are just following the US market, and we are just shorting the markets. So we will find in this scenario also, we will find if there is any chance, we will try to short the market so that we will make some decent money, which we made 1 or 2 months back, right? So nothing much. Let's see how things pan out. See you in another good video tomorrow. Until then, take care. Bye.